Assalamualikum. I pray you are doing well, inshallah. Today I welcome you to a day in my life, starting my day around 5:30 a.m. and yet it's not Fajr time. I am taking advantage of this moment and praying Tahajjud in the last third of the night. If you ever find yourself awake before Fajr, try to take advantage of this time and spend those special moments with Allah. Perhaps He woke you up so that you could spend more time with Him, followed by Fajr and Zikr. First thing I have in the morning is my chamomile tea. Drinking water first thing it flushes out the stomach. It wasn't always that way. I drank coffee every morning and was used to highs and lows with it. I started getting migraines and it was all thanks to the caffeine. And now it was the best thing I could do for myself. I prefer to read at least a page in the morning, and if I find it interesting, I continue to read it when I have time in the evening. Reading in the morning will make you more likely to apply things you read during the day, leading to incorporate them into your life. I've recently started this book that's Win Friends and Influence People, which has been one of my favorite. I got this IKEA wall unit and have been really procrastinating to decorate it. Decorating shelves can really feel daunting and leave you unsure of where to start. My method of decorating the shelves is all about placement of the objects I often use, like those of my scented candles or my makeup accessories. Saturdays means it's skincare time. From acne and wrinkles to dullness, in my journey to control my complexion, I have run many times into a common problem of being overwhelmed by sheer number of products out there. Hence, I always prefer my homemade recipe of basin, coffee, turmeric, sandalwood mixed with rose water. And then later I moisturize with coconut oil. It's much better than those products claimed out to be best by beauty bloggers. We all wanted to have some chicken biryani today. I usually cook a type of chicken biryani where the chicken is cooked along with rice. But today I thought, why not try this recipe where I cook the chicken, which is marinated with all the spices and curd, and then later on put rice in it. Well, that turned out to be good, and you guys must try it too. Kids always need some snack time to time. And I thought of making today potato wedges, where I boiled 3 to 4 potatoes after peeling their skin and I've cut them into wedge shaped. After that, I marinated with salt and chili. You can keep them stored in the freezer for 1 to 2 weeks. So here is my biryani gravy, which has almost been cooked. Now I'm adding some fried onions and then cover with lid for 5 minutes. And to this cooked biryani gravy, I'll be adding the boiled basmati rice, which I have soaked for half an hour. I fried few of the wedges for my son as he did not want to eat biryani. So this is the final look of the biryani, having with some curd and onion. The weather was really nice today. As it was weekend, we head out to have the best fried chicken in Riyadh. Yes, you are right, it's Al Baik. Whether it's a weekend or a weekday, Al Baik always has a lot of barakat in it, mashallah. So you always find a lot of rush in it. And if you are in a hurry, you can go into the female section. So these were a few of the glimpses of how I spent my weekend. Thank you so much for watching my video and I hope you liked my vlog. Stay tuned for such content. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz and take care.